Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders Live, artificial intelligence trading, live market analysis using artificial intelligence. Brief disclaimer, financial edutainment, nice name for it, but yeah, it's just a software demonstration at this stage. There's my contact details. I do a lot of stock chart updates on Twitter and stock tweets as well. Four major strategies will be looked at today. The AI's got four artificial intelligence generated strategies to cater for four different type traders. Major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. So the major market reversals, where we look for stocks that are extremely oversold, but the AI also looks for other forces at that time, including cross-market indicators, what the big picture is, etc., economic indicators, etc. Classic swing trades, code 104, which we'll be looking at, is to establish reversion of the mean type swing trades. This is where the AI identify these kind of strategies, ideal for short to medium term trading. Volatility breakout, more for the aggressive type trader. Unusually high volatility in the direction of the breakout. That's kind of the strategy that the AI is looking for. Code 105. And quick 3-day moves, code 106. This is the AI, artificial intelligence ID for this particular strategy, which we'll be using later. This strategy was trained to maximize profits 3 bars after the entry. Okay, so this is a nice short-term swing trade type in and out in a couple of days' time. Right, let's go and scan the market looking for AI trading ideas. In today's AI Traders Live, we're going to cover the NASDAQ 100 constituent stocks, looking for hot new trade ideas generated by the AI engine. I'm going to load the, this incidentally is the NASDAQ chart. We've had some fantastic signals on the index itself over the last couple of months. Recent swing trade worked out quite well, and there was a sell signal on an intraday basis generated by the AI in and around that level. But let's go and look at if there's any new hot stocks on a NASDAQ, on the NASDAQ index constituents. I'm going to select the NASDAQ 100 Index. Just scroll, find my index here. There we go. That's the AI. There we go. NASDAQ selected. Now I'm going to start the exploration. I've got my Fulgent AI engine selected. I'm going to start the exploration, and the AI is now going to look at the NASDAQ 100 individual shares and screen them with its AI filter, looking for hot new trade ideas as generated by artificial intelligence. So those four investment strategies, AI strategies, the major reversals, swing trades, volatility breakout, and the quick move for swing trades as well, is now going to be identified in the constituent stocks. So I'm going to pause the recording now, just to give the AI some time to go through the entire list. I'll be back as soon as it's done. And we're back to just under 3 minutes to scan the whole NASDAQ 100 and identify the most recent artificial intelligence generated trades. So what I've got on the screen here is long and short column. That would, if there's a 1 in these, it would mean the signal is active as of yesterday. In long, in short, yeah, the AI says that it's in a trade or has identified a trade in the long side. If there's a 1 in that column, it means these trades are all longs. And if there's a 1 in that column, it means these trades are all shorts. The bars, 22 bars, 3 bars, these are the bars into the trade. So you can see Exelon Pharmaceuticals, which is in a long, is 3 days into the trade. Amgen, which is a long, is 10 days into a trade. Apple is 32 days into a trade. We've identified some of these older trades in previous AI Traders Live webinars. If I scroll across, we can see here's the ID as mentioned earlier. That's 104 is swing trade, 100 is major reversals. These are fantastic trades to do. And 105 volatility breakouts. 106, is there 106 there? Let's just see, where's the 106? Oh, there's only those today. Accuracy, yeah, you can get 75% accuracy, 70% accuracy. So most of the signals generated got an accuracy of more than 70%. Not really interested in anything below that. Hits, this column tells you how many times this signal fired in the testing period for the AI, when the AI did its training and research. it found out historically in the testing period 250 times this signal occurred, 70% accuracy, and profit per trade, average profit per trade. You can see these figures there. So fantastic performance from an artificial intelligence generated signal. So we're going to look at the first long here, Exelon Pharmaceuticals, and it's going to look for the next signal. Here we can see a couple of swing trades, fantastic. You can see volatility breakout, had a nice swing trade, got the sell signal, and another quick move, stop loss automatically added, profit target was reached, another swing trade. So we had, over the last couple of months actually, 1, 2, 3 great trades out of Exelon Pharmaceuticals. So you can see that's worked very, very well. Amazon's been an old favorite, 26 days into a trade. The AI did generate quite a lot of signals on this one for a long time. You've been trading this since the March low here. You can see lots of good trades. Quick move, kept on going, volatility breakout, kept on going, volatility breakout. Now we're in a long. The stop loss is at 2963, so the AI is still long or in a trade. So there's plenty of time still to swing trade this one. As long as the AI gives an indication that that it's long. If I want to look at just the most recent one, we can sort this column. We've covered Exelon Pharmaceutical, Exelon Corporation, that's in a long, 4 days into a trade there, and we can just load that. You can see there, stop loss, quick move, swing trades, fantastic. A lot of swing trades there. Quick moves, stop losses has moved up, swing trade, quick move, stop losses in there. You can see there. So Exelon Corporation is also in a long 4 days into the trade. Zoom Video is in a short, 8 days into the short position there. I would be cautious shorting the market, but nevertheless, it seems to have worked out in this case. Yes. You can see Zoom went all the way up. Swing trades, stop loss here in June was moved up. Volatility breakout, huge move up. Another volatility breakout and a beautiful sell signal right there at the top given. And then another quick move, very quick one. Huge gap down, and then it started going short. Short-term swing trade, and it's still in a short-term swing trade down, negative outlook. Adobe is in a short 22 days into the trade. You can see the AI has identified quite a few trades on the long side to the upside, which is good. And we can see we've had a lot of long volatility breakouts, quick moves. You can see huge move, April, May, and June, fantastic move. Then in July, another quick move. August, September, now it is kind of cautious in terms of a short position in Adobe. Nvidia is also 22 days into a short. Now the problem shorting is particularly difficult for generally in the market because we don't have a lot of testing data to test on. So be aware of that. You know, you're much more successful on the long side than the short side. But nevertheless, you can see April, May, June, July, August, tremendous rally, another quick move, and then it completely reversed to the downside for just move this for Nvidia. The next long. If we just scroll down in terms of most recent trades, you can see, so the most recent trade really is, the sky was collusion is short. Exelon Pharmaceuticals, Amgen, Autodesk. So you can see these are all kind of in a trade. So Amgen is really one of the most recent long positions, for example, in Exelon Corporation, also one of the longest 4 days into a trade. Autodesk also, stop losses moved up, so you can see volatility breakout, huge move, and the trailing stop has moved up. So this is just a way to weekly or daily or weekly scan the NASDAQ 100 to find those high probability trades as generated by the AI, and just keep scanning the market in the same manner. We can see Broadcom or ADP; these have all been in very, very long trade. I think Broadcom has been one of the most successful NASDAQ 100 trades that we had on the platform. You can see huge move up. That's just a fantastic move. I think a portfolio of AI generated stocks this year is up just close to 95, 97%. a 25 stock portfolio is up 90, 95, 97%. So outperforming the market by 3 times the Nasdaq Composite. If you are interested in getting your own AI, if you don't have Metastock already, you can get a great deal on Metastock platform. Go to metastock.com/alpha-harvest 3 for 1, and then if you want just the AI deal separately, metastock.com/alpha-harvest-f. Sign up there for a 3-to-1 deal, and that'll get you up and running with the artificial intelligence trading. Right, until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.